Hi everyone, today we're going to be working on our foundational skills. Now we have a couple things to do and it's going to start to seem more like some fast drills, and that's great. That means you're learning. So I'm going to read our alpha chant for M, and I want you to make that big rub your belly movement when you hear that sound. Are you ready? My mom makes lunch. Macaroni, melon, milk, more, Did you hear all of those sounds? You did. Great job. Let's move on. All right, now right here, I'm going to move myself so you can see. We have 3 M words, okay? We have a mop. Do you hear that sound? Mop. I hear an M at the beginning of mop. Mop. Very good. Then I have a man. Can you say man? Yeah. Do you hear it? Man. Now, can you touch the M at the beginning of that word? Man. Very good. Now we have some milk. Can you hear the M at the beginning? Milk. Good. Now see if you can find the M down there. Yep, right at the beginning of milk. It's right here. Good job. Now repeat after me. Mop, man, milk. Good job. All right, next, we're going to take a look at some sentences, okay? So I'm going to highlight the sentence and go across with my mouse, and then we're going to count how many words we have, okay? Let's just listen first. We read a book. Good job. Now see if you can take your finger and point along with me. We read a book. How many words is that? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. We read a book has 4 words. Let's check out the next one. Just listen. When is lunch? Oh, that's a good question. See that question mark? Let's try again. When is lunch? Good. Now, can you take your finger and follow along with me? When is lunch? Good. Now, let's see if we can count. 1, 2, 3. When is lunch? There are 3 words in this sentence. All right, let's try this last one. Please sit down. Did you hear it? Follow along with me. Please sit down. All right, let's count it. 1, 2, 3. Let's make sure. Please sit down. Yeah, that's 3 words. Good job, guys. You're finding your words in your sentences. Now let's do one more thing. We are going to work this week with a new sight word. A sight word is a word that we memorize, okay? Now, this word looks like a letter. It's because it is spelled with 1 letter. But instead of saying A, we're going to say a. Can you take your finger and put it on your chin? Good. Can you help it fall down when you say it? A. Very good. So I'm going to read these one time, and then I want you to help me read, okay? A mop, a man, a cup of milk. Now see if you can use your finger to follow along. A mop, a man, a cup of milk. Good job. Now, this is something we're going to practice with all of our sight words, okay? We're going to read it, we're going to spell it, we're going to read it, okay? So spelling just tells us what letters it's made out of. But when we read it, remember, the word is a. So I'll do it one time, then you do it with me. Read it, a. Spell it, a. Read it, a. Good. You do it with me. Read it, a. Spell it, a. Read it up. Great job, my friends. You just finished your foundational skills. Give yourself a big pat on the back.